So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to stake Ethereum on MetaMask. So once the MetaMask application is opened up, at the bottom you have Home, Explore, Trade, Activity, and Rewards. I want you to press on the purple Trade button. Once you're on this page right here at the bottom, it says earn rewards on your tokens. Go ahead and press that. And then go ahead and press on Ethereum. Now what you're going to be doing here is showing how much Ethereum you want to stake. So for example, if you had 5 Ethereum, for example, in this case, I don't have enough, you can go ahead and select whatever you're looking for, 50%, 75%, etc. All good. Just go ahead and type in whatever you want. You can also check in the current APR right now. So there you go. And if all looks good, so let's say, for example, you do 1 Ethereum and then go to the bottom and press on proceed. You can then proceed this way when it comes to staking Ethereum. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to stake Ethereum on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.